Hi, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and this is the 2015 Hyundai i20 in metallic grey we have in stock here at Seaford MG. This 2015 Hyundai i20 has the automatic gearbox and has completed just 31,861 miles since new. This fantastic deep metallic grey comes combined with the automatic gearbox and is a fantastic value for money 5-door hatchback. This car features the lovely interior, which is a beige and black cloth interior with matching door cards and dash surround. This car has a large specification which includes multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, heated seats, plus radio module and reversing camera. The car also benefits from rear privacy glass and not just reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors. This will be a particularly sought after vehicle with the automatic gearbox, so if you would like a personalised video on the car or any more information, contact us at Seaford MG on 01323 898 818.